In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to editing websites or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First and foremost, you need to navigate to the Square Appointment Scheduling software page. This is a pivotal step because Weebly operates under the Square platform, providing synergistic access across the various services they offer. You can find a link to this through your browser, and once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself as you prepare for the next step. Now, the next task is to click on Sign In. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the Square platform's homepage. If you already have an account, simply input your credentials to progress further. Otherwise, use the Sign Up option if you need. It's crucial here to ensure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid unnecessary hiccups in your workflow. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Square dashboard. The dashboard acts as a central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Square services, including your Weebly website. Take a quick glance around to get a better understanding of what this dashboard offers, especially if it's your first time here. From the dashboard, move on to the Weebly overview section. This section serves as an overview of your website's current status and gives you immediate access to various editing tools. It's important to understand this space as it will help streamline your updates in the future. Once you've landed on the Weebly overview, you're just a couple of clicks away from editing your site. Look for the Edit Site button. Click on it and watch as your website opens up in an easy to use editing mode. Here you can make changes to text, pictures, layouts and more. Keep in mind, always double check your changes in the preview mode to ensure everything appears exactly how you envisioned it. Finally, once you've completed all your desired edits and are satisfied with the outlook, locate the Publish button. Clicking Publish will update all the changes you've made and push them live to the website. This step wraps up your website update, ensuring the latest modifications are now visible to all your visitors. And there you have it, your Weebly website is updated and live within minutes. Remember, familiarity with the platform will make your future updates quicker and more intuitive. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one.